Good afternoon. Today's topic is rows and columns in Power BI. So here is the sample data for today's assignment. You can see blank rows in the data and some textual information in numerical data. So let's start. We can see how to clean this data in Power BI. Click on Get Data, Excel, select the sheet. And sheet name is cleaning. Click on Transform Data. We are going to see this section of the Power BI desktop. So let's start. First we use remove rows option. In this, first we apply remove blank rows. You can see total 19 rows here in the data set. When we apply this option remove blank rows, only 12 rows are remaining in the data set. I have selected employee names column, and now we are going to apply remove duplicates. So only 8 rows are remaining now, but this is the wrong method to apply remove duplicate. It only apply on particular column. So before applying remove duplicate, you have to first select one cell in the data and then press Ctrl A on keyboard, select all the data from dataset and then go to remove rows and remove duplicates. Now 10 rows are remaining in the dataset. Next option is remove top rows. So it remove top row from the dataset. Suppose I want to remove top 2 rows from the dataset. So enter value 2 in the box. Click on OK. So you can see it removes top 2 rows. Similarly, remove bottom rows. I want to delete last 2 rows from the dataset. So number of rows, enter 2 value in the box. Click on OK and it deleted last 2 rows from the data. Remove alternate rows. First, I want to delete second row and then one by one I want to delete the rows. So it start the operation from line number 2 or row number 2 and one by one it deleted the rows. So this is the result of this operation. So we have seen this all option except remove errors. We will see this option later. Keep rows. Now keep rows. I want to keep top one row in the data set and just click on OK. So it automatically delete all the remaining rows from the data. Keep bottom one row. So it give us this answer, last row in the data set, and deleted all the above rows from the data. Keep range of rows. First row I want to keep, and then I want to keep 3 rows. So click on OK. So I will get the result at first 3 rows in the output. And similarly, keep duplicates is option also present in this keep rows. So we can keep only duplicate values from the data source. So next section is column section. So we start with the remove columns. So you can find two options: remove columns or remove other columns. So first option is remove column. It removes selected columns from the data set. And if I select the second option, it removes all the remaining columns which are not selected. And choose columns. Suppose we have total 200 plus columns in the data set. So this option is very useful. Choose column. Here we can set we only want salary 2021 column. So it shows this result for this action. Go to column. Suppose I want to go to last column, salary 2024. So it move from first column to second column. It is very useful when we have 100 plus columns in our data set. So we are done with this columns option in this data set. So the things in remaining are rename and move columns and duplicate columns. So rename, for you have to just double click on the header and you can rename column name, department name. So we are successfully edited header name in the column section. Also, if you want to move this column, you can easily move this column from its original position. And next is duplicate. Suppose you want to duplicate this column in our data set. So here fourth option is present, duplicate column. So we get the copy of the department name column in the last column. Only keep rows option is remaining, and remove rows, remove errors, and keep errors option is remaining. So here in the numerical data some textual values are present. So first we check these values. First we change the type to whole number, and now you can see the error. And if you click on this box you can see the details of the error. Remove errors. So it automatically delete all the records, all the respective record or row from the data set. We can replace error with the value. Replace errors. Enter 0 instead of error. Just click on OK. It now replace the error from the data set. Same, if I change the data type to whole number and select this column and keep rows, under keep rows we can select keep errors, so it only shows errors in the data set. So we have done with columns and rows in Power Query. Please like my videos, subscribe my channel Job at Punyanagari. Thank you.